Next up is the second dish for Christmas, 2. Honey glazed ham. Introduction: a popular Christmas dish, especially in the US, consisting of a cured ham baked and coated with a sweet and savory glaze, often made from honey, brown sugar, or pineapple. Ingredients: preparation: pre-smoked ham bone-in or boneless, 1 approx 3 to 5 kilograms. Honey 150 milliliters, brown sugar 100 grams, orange juice 100 milliliters, whole cloves 15 to 20 pieces for garnish and flavor, seasoning, Dijon mustard. Step-by-step instructions: score the ham fat layer in a diamond pattern using a sharp knife. Insert a whole clove into the center of each diamond. Mix honey, brown sugar, Dijon mustard, and orange juice to create the glaze. Place the ham in a roasting pan and bake at 170 degrees Celsius. After about 1 hour, or when internal temperature reaches 50 degrees Celsius, begin brushing the ham with the glaze mixture. Continue baking and basting every 15 minutes until the ham is cooked. Internal temperature reaches 65 degrees Celsius and the surface is beautifully caramelized. Presentation and serving: let the ham rest for 15 minutes before slicing. Serve in thin slices, accompanied by mashed potatoes or salad. Notes: apply the glaze primarily during the final stages of baking to prevent the sugar from burning and turning bitter. Please continue to view the third dish.